In this video, we are going to see the most requested recipe for last few days. Yes, it's Christmas plum cake. So put on your aprons and turn on your oven, bake this cake and surprise your family. So let's see how we make it. Start by soaking dry fruits in grape juice for a day. Dry fruits like 1 cup finely chopped dates, 1 cup finely chopped raisins, half cup finely chopped prunes, half cup finely chopped apricots, half cup finely chopped cherries, 2 to 3 tablespoons finely chopped almonds, 3 tablespoons finely chopped walnuts. Let the dry fruits will absorb the grape juice completely. Take baking pan and line it with parchment paper. Butter the sides and bottom of the pan and set aside. Now transfer dry fruits in a bowl and toss it with 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and set aside. Now I am making caramel. Take half cup sugar in a saucepan and heat it on low heat. Now it will start to crystallize. Keep stirring and it will slowly start to melt. Keep heating on low heat till it gets nice dark color. And now take it off the heat and add in 1/4 cup water and heat till the sugar dissolves again. Set aside to cool. Sieve 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Goes in half teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon dry ginger powder, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, half teaspoon cloves powder, 1 teaspoon cardamom powder. Take 250 grams of unsalted butter. Goes in 250 grams of sugar. I am using a beater here to cream this up. 2 teaspoon vanilla extract. You can see it is well creamed. And to this I am adding 2 eggs. Cream it up. And now I am adding 3 eggs. Beat them well. And now it's time to add half of the flour mix, half of the caramel, fold nicely, add in remaining flour mix, pour the remaining caramel, fold well, gradually add soaked dry fruits and mix well. Pour this into the prepared pan. Smooth it up. And now I'm going to place the pan in oven. Bake it for 40 to 45 minutes. It will look a little dark on top, but no issues. Once it is cooled a little, invert it. Peel the paper off, slice and serve. Give this a try and let me know how it turned out for you. And don't forget to tag me on my Instagram page, shrimis.kitchen. That's a wrap. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon so that you will get notification every time we post a new recipe. We'll see you in our next video. Till then, take good care of yourself and have a nice day.